Billy rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Took my kitten to work and this happened.
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow!
This movie.
Ты боишься, что я утону? Да, ты боишься? Я не утону. Честно. Я не утону. Да, не буду я тонуть.
I just heard something drop. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you do? What did you do?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
And can I also have a venti cup of ice?
A venti cup of ice, okay.
And a pop cup?
Aw, hi little kittens. I thought I could hear you.
Holy shit!
Şabanın Baydın kızın alamam.
It's so rude.
I try to get her to turn the lights off so I don't have to.
These are not for your toys, or for your mouth, or for your teeth. No, no, no.
The snack dealer gets caught giving extra snacks.
What are you doing?